How to apply for a loan on the crypto.com exchange. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can apply for a loan on the crypto.com exchange. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. In order to apply for a loan on the crypto.com exchange, you can first log into your crypto.com exchange account. Once you have done so, you want to go to dashboard and then select lending. Then you want to select loans, then tap on take out a new loan. You can borrow up to 3 outstanding loans at once as long as you meet the eligibility requirements. Now what you'll have to consider is the borrowing limit. The total value of your outstanding loans in USD is monitored using the composite index price. If the total value exceeds the maximum borrowing limit, your borrowing capacity will be disabled. Now rates may also vary, and the jurisdiction. DeFi lending is available to users in selected jurisdictions. You can also visit the crypto.com help center if you want any more help. For now, hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.